Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As you know, we have started Geography chapter number 1, the physical state of the earth. It is our second lecture. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the structure of the earth, crust, mantle and core. I hope you have understood the topic very well. Today, our topic is tectonic plates. Before discussion about the tectonic plates, it is necessary to know about many things related to this topic. Introduction, lithosphere, asthenosphere, Pangea, ring of fire, faults and their types. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the solid outer part of the earth. The lithosphere includes the brittle upper portion of the mantle. You can see in this diagram crust and uppermost solid mantle. Asthenosphere. It lies below the lithosphere. Asthenosphere is almost solid, although some of its region could be molten. Red color shows the asthenosphere. What is Pangea? About 200 million years ago, Earth did not have 7 continents, but instead one massive supercontinent called Pangaea, which was surrounded by a single ocean called Panthalassa. Existing continents were once in the form of single mass. You can see in this map Pangaea. Supercontinent is called Pangaea and Panthalassa. Now you are thinking about Panthalassa. What is Panthalassa? Existing ocean were once in the form of a single superocean as superocean Panthalassa. Plates tectonics. A tectonic plate is also called lithospheric plate. The ancient supercontinent comprising all the present continents joined together, which began to break up about millions of years ago. The big continent divided into smaller parts, which got the form of present continent. The 7 big plates of Earth crust are following: Pacific plate, North American plate, South American plate, Eurasian plate, African plate, Australian plate, Antarctica plate. You can see in this map. Now we will discuss faults and their type. What is fault? A fault is a fracture or zone of fractures between two blocks of rock. Faults allow the blocks to move relative to each other. This movement may occur in the form of the earthquake or may occur slowly in the form of creep. In the simple words, big cracks in the earth's crust are known as fault. Big cracks in the earth crust are known as fault. Because of these cracks, lithosphere is divided into big and small parts. Due to the motion of tectonic plates, the cracks have extended hundreds of miles deep. The areas where fault form is known as fault zone. Ring of fire. The ring of fire refers to a geographical area of high volcanic and seismic activities around the edges of the Pacific Ocean. Most of the earthquakes occur in this area, therefore it is also known as ring of fire. You can see in this map, red color shows the ring of fire. Pacific plate is surrounded by volcanoes. Most of the earthquakes occur in this area because it is surrounded by cracks Therefore, it is also known as ring of fire. Types of faults. Normal faults. In normal fault, parts of the crust move in opposite direction. Due to the removal of upper layer, lava comes out through the weak portions of earth. Transform faults. When pieces of plates move forward and backward, they rub against each other. Such type of faults is called transform fault. In this fault, no part of earth moves up and down. Reverse fault. When plates move toward each other, reverse fault occur. Due to the pressure between plates, earthquake and eruption of volcanoes occur. In this way, the plates come close to each other and usually mountains are formed. The parts of crust are moving in opposite direction in normal fault, to and fro motion in the transform fault, and towards each other in reverse fault. Reverse faults are exactly the opposite of normal faults. Now we will discuss the important point of this lecture. The earth crust or lithosphere is divided into 7 big plates. Big cracks in earth are known as fault. The area where a fault form is known as fault zone. The area all around Pacific plate is known as ring of fire. I hope you have understood the topic very well. If you study your textbook, you will understand every topic very well. Now I will give you a home assignment. Question number 1, describe the types of faults. Number 2, write down the names of big plates of earth. I hope you have understood this topic and you can do it very well. Thanks dear students. Allah Hafiz.